Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today I am joining in on the challenge for the Flaming June dress that needed to have red, yellow, and orange in it, or those were the colors we were working with. And this is hosted by J Dolls UK, Penny from Playful Reborn, and Gaina from Gainer's Happy Place. I started with this dress. There was a bodice I wanted to try. I had trouble with it and ended up just putting bias tape around the edges. I'm going to re-go at this, but a little differently. And then I added the Mexican-ish zigzag. The idea is if you put hot peppers in the top half of your body, out the bottom half of your body, you're going to get flames. After I made it, I was going to do some other things, and I thought, I should just do a short outfit for my pear girl. This is Maxine, this is Genia. And I thought, same thing, put the peppers in the top and the flames will come shooting out the bottom. It was really funny because I had watched J Dolls UK video right before Darren and I were leaving for town, and we happened to be going to the fabric store, and I saw this, and that's it. That's what I want to use. Then for Callista, I put her in this is an 18-inch doll, like American Girl top that I bought on AliExpress, and then I took the pairs of jeans. Oh, I thought I had a pair laying here. I brought them out, but I don't know where they went. The jeans that I've been buying inside, well, they come with the tops. They're the little eyelet tops I've been buying my Smart Dolls. Now, I washed and washed and washed and rinsed and soaped these pants. It was driving me crazy how much dye was in them. But anyway, I added a little of that fabric around here. She doesn't have yellow, but she does have the orange and the red and the hot peppers. And then if I use the word favorite, I'll pull out this Smart Doll. Since I don't use the word favorite, I won't mention that I really, really, really like this doll. This is one of my favorite Smart Dolls from Danny Chu, Culture Japan. And, that's tied a little crooked, isn't it? Or hooked a little crooked. There we go. This is Looking for Trouble. Not even changing her name. I took two patterns, and I'll show you that in a minute. I took two patterns, changed them up a little bit, well, the one quite a bit, and worked it out to be a little bikini for Looking for Trouble. I'm pleased with how it came out. I need to retweak this top a little bit. It's still this needs to be shorter, and this needs to be different. And this is how I did the patterns. I'm working on a pair of call them swimsuit bottoms. And I took the pattern that I used in the summer dress pattern I did with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Tammy Polly for Smart Dolls. And I'm going to try this again, but what I'm doing is I am trying to add ties. And I'm trying to decide, because I want these thin, and I'm thinking what I need to do is pull this back a little bit and start here. Let's see, that goes up around. So what I want to do is take this here, and I need enough to tie, but I want that to thin out on each side. So what I did is I put this in the middle so that I will cut this on the fold. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, where I'm going to pull this up a little bit and start before the end where that seam would be. So we'll see how this works and if I have enough fabric to tie. This 1/3 inexpensive AliExpress BJD usually wears a Star Wars skirt. But I thought, you know what, let's get her a little skirt to go with her outfit. And I just made her a little gathered skirt out of the same fabric and added the orange, yellow, and red. Thank you so much, Gaina, Penny, and Jay. Please go by their channels today, as well as everybody else participating in the Flaming June dress collab challenge. I'll spit it out. And if you have a video today, don't put your hand up in front of her face. If you have a video today, would you let me know in my comments? I'd sure like to see what you did with this. This is such a cute idea. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.